The fine Gothic former synagogue in Merthyr Tydfil had served the Jewish community there since the 1870s. The Jewish community of Merthyr reached its peak in the 1930s, but having now largely disappeared from the town, there are still signs of their presence, including the Jewish cemetery in Cefn Coed. In 1955, there was held, and I quote, an impressive service in which the chief rabbi reconsecrated the 80-year-old synagogue. In his address, the chief rabbi referred to the persecution which made Jews leave the lands of their birth and how they had found, to quote, freedom of worship in Merthyr. It's therefore sad to note, as you'll see from the picture, the current condition of the former synagogue. But the UK-based Foundation for Jewish Heritage recently mapped all the historic synagogues right across Europe, which they categorised according to their significance and condition. The Merthyr Tydfil Synagogue is one of only 2 in the UK highlighted by this work and shown to be in the most danger. Thankfully, the Foundation has already found the funds to undertake a preliminary study of the building, which could lead to its restoration. The synagogue is an important part of our collective history, not just for Merthyr Tydfil and for Wales, but beyond that as well. So I wish the Foundation well in their work. It deserves to succeed and for this important building to be saved.